Hi, my name is Riya Bhasin and I am a PGDM student at Soil Institute of Management. Today happens to be a very exciting day and that's why I decided to vlog it. It is a little different from regular days. I have group presentations, club meetings, discussion with the professor regarding the upcoming design thinking events. But the exciting part is that today we have to set up our dropshipping kiosk. It's gonna be a hectic day, but we have a rejuvenating yoga workshop planned. So let me rush for now because I have a presentation planned at 11. Come with me. Okay, so I have left for college and just driving around, and something that I couldn't stop thinking about is that it has been 5 months since I have joined Soil, and when I first joined, I was very anxious about living alone, managing all the things by myself. But to my surprise, things have been very smooth. I'm almost there because the college is not so far away from my place. It's just 3-4 minutes. So yeah, let me just go and give a great presentation. So I'll see you after that. Bye. I have made a lot of good friends and I've made so many great memories with them. We hang out, we go out, and all the fest and events that happen in college. So I think MBA is not only about what you study and how you gain knowledge, but also about making some deep and meaningful connections and the memories that you make. So it has been a good journey. So I finally entered college and I am heading towards my class. It is a beautiful day today. I'm feeling cold and also nervous because I have my presentation of operations and supply chain management. So it is a group presentation. We are a team of 4. But what makes me nervous is because this is going to be evaluated in the final grade. But I have prepared well, so I'm looking forward to it. So I'll update you after my presentation. Good morning everyone, my name is Jaya and now I'll be talking about Okay, so update. I had a good presentation. There was a question answer round as well after we did our presentation. So that also went really well. But the only thing that keeps me wondering is that no matter how many presentations we give, but this constant feeling of, being anxious before every presentation is something that keeps me wondering or keeps me awake at night. So apart from that, I have a few friends waiting for me at the library because we have to catch up for the upcoming assignments. So come with me to the library. So I just got done with the discussion, and what we were discussing about was the upcoming consulting challenge. So basically, we have to reach out to small businesses and know about their problem statement and what all are the hindrances that are being caused in their businesses. And then we have to come up with a solution so that, which will help them to generate revenue and increase their sales. So we have a lot of things in mind and let's see how it goes for us. So till then, I am going to the cafeteria to have my lunch, and this is the time that I look forward to the most because I get to meet my friends, have lunch together. So yeah, see you after lunch. Okay, so I am all done with my food, and now I have the energy to get all the things done that are planned for the rest of the day. And here, my group members have already set up our dropshipping kiosk. So, say hi, guys. So, this is how our products look like, and the whole idea to launch these tote bags was to make the Gen Z community resonate with our brand. So, this is my team, and I want to ask them a few questions. So, how do you think that this drop shipping project has added value to your MBA life?
Definitely, the project was of great inspiration to us. It added a lot to what we know actually. It was a great opportunity that was given by our college. Increase our knowledge about how actually a business works, what are the ways, how to meet suppliers, connect with them, how to discuss about the prices. Yes, definitely, it was a great opportunity, and yeah, we are very happy.
And your experience was really amazing because of these jobs.
As we have leisure, like, we also got to know about, like, we just explored many things, like we just went where we purchase these bags and we just customized it by ourselves. So like we just got to know many things, like how the business actually works. Like we just got the knowledge about the bags. That we it's a this 600 KSM bag. Like there are very variety and they vary. So it was a great experience learning altogether.
And things like these always happen in soil, all of these events like drop shipping, consulting challenges, design thinking fest. So all of this happens at soil, and it is so much important for a holistic development. And I just love this thing about my college. So yeah. Okay, so now I am heading towards my design thinking workshop in which we have to present our prototype to our professor. So, yeah, let's go. So, hi, today we will be presenting our prototype to our professor, Ms. Tista, and let us know what inputs she has for us. So, ma'am, basically, our how might we statement is how might we, provide clean accessible water to people who work outdoors, for example, security guards and vendors, etc. So, there is a little prototype that we have made, and we are eager to show you that. So, yeah.
So, ma'am, this is our prototype, Curiosip. It's basically a filter for water purification, and we'll be catering to our target audience, which are the street vendors, watchmen, and the problem that we have identified.
It's very critical to get user feedback initially when you are doing the prototypes, so that it's actually desirable for them as you are building the feasibility and the viability. So, all the best.
So, I am all done with my design thinking workshop. So, design thinking has always been a very interesting element at Soil because it teaches us the approach of, understanding people's needs, empathizing with them, and providing creative solutions to their problems. So, we, made our professor see our prototype, and she really liked it. And we had gathered a lot of valuable insights from her. So it was a great workshop. Also, the placement drive is going on for our seniors, and Infosys is at campus today. So all the best to our seniors. Well, I can already see my friends waiting for me for the club meeting. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Okay, so now we are all set, and being a part of the social media club, we have to plan a lot. There are many upcoming events, and we have to plan the strategies, how to cover those events, how to create their hype, and how to market them in the college. So, my reason to join this club was because I've already had a thing for marketing, social media, etc. And MBA life is already very hectic. So, you also need to do something that fits in with your interest. So, that's why I just love, social media marketing, creating content, and all that. So, guys, what's your reason to join this club, Shraddha?
So, first reason would be I love designing a lot. I love playing with colors, elements, etc. And the second reason should be it gives me a breather from my academics. So, yeah, that sums up.
For me, the reasons also align like that. And I used to like create content and post it on YouTube. So I like content creation. So I joined this club. Also, like when I joined this club, I thought it would be hectic, which it is, but it gives us a nice break and something you would like to create and you love is something you always want to do.
For me, I have always enjoyed shooting and editing videos and also some part of graphic designing, though I'm not professional in it. So that's why I joined this club, which will act as a good extracurricular activity as well apart from studies.
Okay, so let's get to work. Okay, so finally, all the heavy lifting for the day is finally over, and I just want to now relax, rejuvenate, and calm my mind. And for that, we are going to have a yoga session. So, see you there. Definitely, days like these are very hectic, but I believe that they are wholesome as well because I contributed to the presentations, I got to learn, and then we had a design thinking workshop, and after that, we had a club meeting. So that is something apart from academics, and I always had a thing for creative things. So that was like a breather for me. And then we had yoga, so that is itself a very relaxing activity. So I mean, yeah, it was an overall hectic day, but it is fun because I was already prepared for it. When I was enrolling myself for a PGDM program, I already had this thing in mind that days like these are gonna be in my schedule. So I kind of enjoy it. Before these 5 months, I was a person that just wanted, my comfort place, my comfort people, my family. But then when I moved out of my house and now I'm living all alone, so you have to, come out of your comfort zone one day or the other. Start to enjoy your company rather than, just enjoying other people's company. Because at the end of the day, you are there for yourself. And so, yeah.